Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Terlebih dahulu, setinggi-tinggi tahniah diucapkan kepada semua mahasiswa di atas kejayaan menempuh alam universiti, Universiti Teknologi MARA. Sesi ini adalah bersama Akademi Pembangunan PKS dan Keusahawanan Malaysia atau lebih dikenali sebagai MASMED. Tanpa melengahkan masa, saya menjemput penolong Naib Chancellor Keusahawanan yang berbahagia, Profesor Dr. Haji Abdul Samad Nawi untuk memberi sedikit kata-kata aluan. Dipersilakan, Prof.
Okay, terima kasih kepada Encik Muhammad Azwan Muhammad Alias. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'il mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Wa bishrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya mengucapkan setinggi-tinggi tahniah kepada mahasiswa sama ada di peringkat diploma atau ijazah yang dapat melanjutkan pengajian mereka ke Universiti Keramat ini, iaitu Universiti Teknologi MARA. Dan semoga kalian belajar dengan bersungguh-sungguh sehingga mencapai apa yang telah kita impikan sebelum ini. Dan saya juga berharap semoga anak-anak ini bekerja dengan lebih keras sama ada berada di kampus Alam, di kampus Puncak Alam ataupun di kampus-kampus negeri, dan akhirnya akan memberi manfaat bukan sahaja kepada ibu bapa, bahkan kepada agama dan juga negara. Okey, sekian, terima kasih.
Untuk sesi seterusnya, saya menjemput yang berusaha Teknologi Surveyor Siti Hafsah Zulkarnain selaku pengarah Pusat Keusahawanan Mahasiswa bagi memberikan taklimat berkenaan MASMED. Majlis dengan segala hormatnya mempersilakan.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera saya ucapkan kepada semua pelajar yang telah berjaya melanjutkan pengajian ke Universiti Teknologi MARA UiTM. Kini adalah sesi taklimat bagi Akademi Pembangunan PKS dan Keusahawanan Malaysia atau lebih dikenali sebagai MASMED bagi sesi Minggu Destini Siswa. Saya Surveyor Teknologi Siti Hafsah Zulkarnain, merupakan pengarah Pusat Keusahawanan Mahasiswa MASMED untuk memberikan taklimat bagi sesi kali ini. Untuk makluman semua, MASMED diterajui oleh Profesor Dr. Haji Abdul Samad Nawi, merupakan penolong Naib Chancellor Keusahawanan. Sejarah penubuhan MASMED pada tahun 1975 dikenali sebagai Malaysian Entrepreneurship Development Centre atau MEDEC. Kemudian pada tahun 2005 telah bertukar nama kepada The Tunas Mekah Project and the Entrepreneurship Research and Support Center atau ERSC. Manakala pada tahun 2010 telah ditubuhkan Malaysian Academy of SME and Entrepreneurship Development atau lebih dikenali sebagai MASMED. Di MASMED kita ada satu pusat yang menguruskan semua aktiviti keusahawanan mahasiswa, iaitu Student Entrepreneurship Center ataupun Pusat Keusahawanan Mahasiswa, yang mana saya sebagai pengarah di Pusat Keusahawanan Mahasiswa ini dibantu oleh 3 ketua jabatan, iaitu Encik Mustafa Kamal Mat yang merupakan Ketua Jabatan Pembangunan Modal Insan dan Keusahawanan. Kemudian Encik Muhammad Azwan Muhammad Alias merupakan Ketua Jabatan Perundingan dan Pembangunan Perniagaan. Encik Muhammad Faizul Khalid merupakan Ketua Jabatan Inkubator Perniagaan dan dibantu oleh Puan Zakia Hassan. Dan kita ada 3 staf pentadbiran yang akan menguruskan hal ehwal aktiviti keusahawanan mahasiswa di MASMED. So actually what we do at MASMED, actually we share our expertise in making our entrepreneurial journey meaningful and successful so that they will be able to contribute towards the greater goods. Actually on the first, MASMED will give advice to the students and individuals or developing their entrepreneurial skills, identifying the opportunities for innovations, and how to develop sound business models that are sustainable and profitable. And number 2, in terms of finance, we provide financings to students that help them accelerate their entrepreneurial plans to reality. And number 3, in terms of support, we provide business plan guidance and coachings to students that enables them to appeal better to potential financiers and partners. And number 4, in terms of trains, we train both students, professionals, as well as educators on the theoretical and practical aspect of entrepreneurships. And number 5, in terms of research, we continuously do research that expand the body of knowledge of entrepreneurships along with innovative ways to enhance its pedagogy. And the last, in terms of collaborates, we collaborate with major entrepreneurial programs, ecosystem stakeholders to ensure our programs stay relevant and beneficial. Vision and missions of UiTM and MassMed. UiTM visions is to establish UiTM as a globally renowned university of science, technologies, humanities, and entrepreneurships. And also UiTM visions is to lead the development of agile, professional Bumiputras through state-of-the-art curriculums and impactful research. MassMed visions as a world's eminent entrepreneurships academy. And also the MassMed visions is transforming lives through entrepreneurships. MassMed Student Entrepreneurship Center can be divided into 4 divisions. One is the Human Capital Development Entrepreneurships, a unit to nurture and nourish students' entrepreneurship with a business practice in university environments. And number 2 is the Business Incubator Units, a unit to lead the development of entrepreneurial of business idea and developments through state-of-the-art incubations and guidance. And number 3 is the Consultations and Business Development Unit, the unit that developing the existing business and secondly, creating new business and help to bring business opportunity for student entrepreneurs. And number 4 is the Business Marketing and Commercializations, the unit that help to accelerate student business idea, products, and business service through strategic marketing and commercializations in entrepreneurship network. As a student entrepreneurship center, we strategize in developing student skills and interests in a conducive entrepreneurship ecosystem through business zoning, startup programs, business incubators, and attachment opportunities in successful small and medium enterprises that support student-owned business. First, inculturations, the student learns the dynamic of the ecosystem and acquire the good values and norms of entrepreneurships in their lives. And number 2, in terms of engagement, engaging themselves with the knowledge and experience of entrepreneurships. And number 3 is the creations, creating the entrepreneurial mindset and skills for the students. The business cluster in the Students Entrepreneurship Center, we can divide it into 10 clusters. The first one is the technopreneur, and number 2 is the digitalpreneur. Number 3 is the creativepreneur. Number 4 is the agropreneur. And number 5 is the biopreneur. Number 6 is the socialpreneur. And number 7 is ecopreneur. Number 8 is the Kalipreneur. And number 9 is the servicepreneur. And the last is the logisticpreneur. At MassMed Entrepreneurial and Business Program, we have a lot of programs that we organize in the student center. First, we call it as a business pitching. And also we have the business idea competitions. Beside that, we have the entrepreneurial talk and webinar. Also, we have in MassMed is the business coaching and mentoring using the BizMeet activities. And then we have the business bootcamp, Siswa Biz Club, the product merchant, industrial and business collaborations. And then we have the business to student or B2S, Icon Usahawan University, and the last is the MassMed Biz channel. And this is the business pitching and idea competitions that we have handled in MassMed. And also we also involved in the entrepreneurship training and coaching. For example, there is a YouTubepreneur courses that we offer to the students. And also we also involved with the competitions and also trainings with the Impact Digital Entrepreneurship Apprentice organizing by the Ministry of Higher Education. We call it as an idea at KPT. And also we have the entrepreneurial talk and webinar with the industry. And also we have the business to students organizing together with the Shopee UiTM eMall. And also we have our own microsite called UiTM eMalls that providing product and also services of the students to all the Malaysians industry. And also we have the business to student with the Nescafe hubs, and this is the pilot project we organize on the certain branches. And at the same time, we have the program under the business to student with the Simplicity, and the pilot project we dance with the UITM Terengganu, Pahang and Kelantan. And beside that, we also have the business to student with Mutiara. This is the Jus Mutiara from the E-Class Syarikat Sdn Bhd. And also we have a program with the Bliss Sdn Bhd. These are dropship programs with the Bliss Sdn Bhd. And next, we have business to student with Una Coffee actually. And we have also business to student with Asia Mobiles. This is a program for the young entrepreneurship talk also we have conducted with the company. And we also have the business to student with the UITM license plate. So those who are interested to be an agent to promoting the UITM license plate, you all can contact also MASMED. And beside that, we also have the business to student program with the Textilepreneur. This is a company that will have the organizing the activities, handling the textilepreneurs, the T-shirt business in campus program, so that the student can gain the side income to the students. And next, we have also the Icon Usahawan University. Okay. And next, we have the business bootcamp. This is the activities that involve trainings on the certain area. For example, like on the business model canvas, on the product developments, on the financings, and there is a lot of training that will be provided under business bootcamp activities. And beside that, also we have the platform that we call as a MASMED business channels. So in these channels, we provide all the products under the business to students, and also we have also the merchandise that we have in MASMED. Beside that, we also have the Siswa Biz Club. So those who are interested to join the club, you can also log in to the MASMED business channel. Okay, and then beside that, we also have the Siswa Biz Club. This is the business circle that we creating in MASMED. We have the system, we call it as a MyENT. Okay, this system is the system that registering all the students that involved in business, either online or offline. So we have all the database of the student that are involving in business. Okay, after you register with the MyENT, automatically the system will generate the e-certificate to the students. And then those who are interested to do business, do contact us if you want to be in the Siswa Business Club and how to be the next entrepreneur. So first of all, follow the telegrams, subscribe the MASMED telegram channels. That is the link provided for the telegrams, and also all the media sources related to MASMED, or you can scan the QR code to join all the telegrams to make sure that you are getting all the latest news on the program provided from the Center of Students Entrepreneurships. So that's all for my presentations. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera.
Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Teknologi Surveyor Setiausaha Zulkarnain di atas taklimat tersebut. Maka dengan ini, tamatlah sesi perkongsian Akademi Pembangunan PKS dan Keusahawanan Malaysia, MASMED, bagi Minggu Destiny Siswa secara atas talian. Terima kasih.